Often voted as the #1 most hated job within the home, cleaning your oven is a job very few people will look forward to or will avoid as long as possible. Yet, worst case scenario, not cleaning your oven can lead to a fire. Yes, a fire. At best, poor efficiency, potential breakdowns, and that's not even mentioning how disgusting they look. You are supposed to be able to see through the glass, you know. So whether it just gets to the point you're being smoked out, the bottom of the oven looks like tarmac has been thrown in there, or you're moving home and you know you have to leave it clean, it's time. Not always time to pull on the gloves though, no. Time for you to decide how valuable your time is and how much you hate that job, but also to realise that there is a reason a professional oven cleaner can do a better job than a DIY cleaner. VaporClean fully trained specialist technicians have been cleaning ovens since 2011, ready and waiting with low odour, environment, pet and family friendly solutions to fully revive your oven back to its former glory. They will dazzle you by whipping off the door, separating the glass and all other removable parts, and that's before the final shine dazzles you. There is a reason our oven cleans take a minimum of an hour and a half to complete, longer for larger ovens, and it is because it is a full dismantle deep clean, which includes replacement of burnt out bulbs and filters for the cooker hood should they be required. VaporClean local professional technicians with one simple call are booked to arrive within a 1 hour slot that suits you. You will be provided with a fixed quote to match your oven size. You can even add the hob and extractor for a full set clean, often 2 items that can be tricky to clean if not done frequently. Keeping things simple from start to finish means you pay our technicians on completion by card. Combining with other services can make it more cost effective, or why not book adjoining appointments with your neighbour and both of you can benefit from our 10% neighbour discount. So if you want to put us to the test or want to find out more, please contact us now. Thank you.